I have spent the last 45 minutes to an hour out on the little patio here while I'm on vacation, just enjoying the salt air. Got a cold, it's helping with that quite a bit. But I have watched what has got to be one of the laziest bosses I've ever seen in my life stand by and watch two dudes bury seaweed on the beach. I don't even know why they're doing that, but they are, for at least an hour, and not lift a finger. I like to say that, the people that work for me, I don't like to say that. They work with me. Tommy's my number one guy when I've got shit that needs doing. Tommy's the guy I call. And yeah, Tommy works for me, but Tommy works with me. What we do together is greater than what he can do plus what I can do. And that's when you're working with somebody, not having somebody work for you. And, I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm a small business, but I can't stand bosses who won't do what they ask their people to do. I don't like being called a boss because I'm a coworker who just happens to be the one organizing everything and the one paying the bills if the job goes wrong. That's the way I look at it. It's I'm taking the risk and I'm reaping more of the reward. I understand that, but God, there are just some crap bosses out there. This guy blows my mind. How can you watch somebody dig this many holes and bury this much seaweed and just stand there? Even if you're worried about your uniform or whatever, how do you not just get bored? I can't stand around for 5 minutes, let alone an hour, and watch people dig holes. I don't know. Maybe ADHD is a superpower. I think so. Let me know what you guys think, because this is probably the funniest thing I've seen this whole vacation. It's just this piece of crap dude down here not doing anything except critique somebody else's hole digging. I'll catch you guys on the next one, I guess. Thanks.